You're in luck because today we're going to review a portable power station that's been making waves online, but don't buy it just yet. For the best price, click the link in the description, /N. I'm talking about the Allpowers S2000 Pro, which promises to be a game changer for your camping trips, road trips, or even as an emergency backup power source at home. But here's what surprised me. Its impressive specs and features don't necessarily translate to real-world performance, /N. So let's dive into the details of this portable power station and see if it lives up to the hype. In this review, we'll be discussing its pros and cons and whether or not it's worth your hard-earned cash. Act 1. The hook asterisk. I've been using portable power stations for years now, and I thought I knew what to expect from a top-of-the-line unit like the Allpowers S2000 Pro. But boy, was I wrong, /N. First off, let me tell you that this thing is massive. We're talking 19 pounds of pure battery goodness here. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really worth lugging around all that weight? Well, we'll get to that later, /N. But first, let's talk about the specs. The Allpowers S2000 Pro boasts an impressive 500 Wh capacity, which is more than enough to charge your phone, laptop, and even a few lights for several hours on end, /N. However, there's a catch. This thing takes forever to charge itself back up. I'm talking over 20 hours of charging time, folks. That's just plain unacceptable if you ask me, /N. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the solar panel option? Ah, yes, that's a great question. The Allpowers S2000 Pro does come with an optional solar panel that can charge it up in a few hours under direct sunlight, /N. But there's a catch. The solar panel is sold separately and costs an additional $100, so you're already looking at over $300 just for this thing. Is it really worth it, /N? I'm not so sure about that, folks. Act 2. The deep dive. So let's take a closer look at what the Allpowers S2000 Pro has to offer, /N. On the surface, it looks like a great unit with plenty of features and specs. But as we dug deeper, things started to get a little fuzzy, /N. First off, the build quality is top-notch. It's got a solid aluminum body that feels sturdy in your hands, and the display screen is nice and large, making it easy to monitor your power levels at a glance, /N. But there's a problem. The USB ports are all clustered together on one side of the unit, which makes it a bit difficult to access them when you're trying to charge multiple devices at once. It's just poor design if you ask me, /N. And then there's the battery life. Like I mentioned earlier, this thing takes forever to charge itself back up. And even worse, the battery life is only around 2 to 3 hours of continuous use. That's just not very impressive considering its size and weight, /N. I mean, what's the point of having a portable power station if it can't even last a whole day on a single charge? It's like they're trying to make you buy more batteries or something. Act 3. The resolution. So, is the Allpowers S2000 Pro worth your hard-earned cash, /N? Well, let me tell you, I wouldn't recommend it. There are just too many better options out there that offer similar features and performance at a lower price point, /N. But hey, if you're dead set on buying this thing, make sure to check the price in the description below, because I've got a deal for you that's even sweeter than this review, /N. And remember, folks, when it comes to portable power stations, you get what you pay for. Don't be fooled by fancy specs and promises. Look for something with real-world performance, /N. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Note, this script is not meant to be copied verbatim, but rather used as a guide to create your own review video. Also, please ensure that you follow YouTube's guidelines on product reviews and do not make any false or misleading claims about the product.